Maiden's Jealousy. Wow. We don't know what the local name is, but it often grows on limestone cliffs.
This is very popular in the 80s. Parang almost every garden. Maiden's Jealousy.
Oh, look at those red ones.
Those are the stamens.
Guys, say hi to the vlog. I have very normal friends. Very normal. It's a pink car.
So see the broken branch where the There's another one. Diba? So this fig is native to the Philippines. It's called Tangisang Bayawak. Do you know what a bayawak is? Monitor lizard. Do you know what tangis means? Suffer or cry, right? So it said, yeah, that the bayawak wanted to eat the fruit. He was trying to climb, but he kept on slipping. Ang smooth, so umiyak na lang siya. So fig trees, they have inverted flowers. The flowers are inside that structure. And they are pollinated by a specific type of wasp. Yeah, so the wasp, the female wasp can enter, and as it moves around, it pollinates the flowers. And then it will also lay its eggs. When the eggs hatch, there are male wasps, there are female wasps. They mate, but only the female wasps have wings. So they're the only ones which leave the fig. So itong mga to, halos male lahat yan. And the males, they spend their entire lives here. So when the female leaves, it carries pollen from this flower and it can pollinate another flower. As the fig ripens, the wasps die inside and they get broken down by the enzymes of the fruit.
Our children are leaving us. Bye, friends.
Can you please throw a photo for me?
Yeah. I'll try. Watch the vlog, guys.
Yeah, I've subscribed like it. So these are what Earth stars look like. And this is where we commonly find them growing also. So keep an eye out. Maybe you'll see some mushrooms that look like stars. Yeah, those are fairy ink caps. Baby spiders. There's a tree that has white flowers. This is native to the Philippines. It's Bagawak Puti. Bagawak Puti. So another type of Meridendum. So you see the upper side of the butterfly is powder blue.
Yes.
And then the underside is more dusty. There are parakeets. Against the sky, there is a parakeet. This is a ring-necked parakeet, which is an introduced species.
Ay, ang cute niya. Ayun, nakita na lumipad.
The rambutan over there. You can see it
If you
from the
like,
tree.
that's what the fresh fruit looks like. Yeah. For those of you who like blue cheese, smell it.
Oh, that's really like
Smell review.
Oh my god! This is spiral.
Taste test.
That's stuff even worse, in my opinion.
Oh my god. It's not too bad though.
They're made out of scales.
Yes.
You see. So
They're sharp.
if you angle them at a certain direction, the light hits it and then it produces that iridescent.
So you can actually scrape off the scales
Oh.
and it will be a clear wing.
Yeah.
What?
For wildlife.
Wow. Nothing's here though.
Pusa!
Pusa! Kitty. Hi.
This is called Cadena de Amor. and it's also an invasive species. But at least the bees like it, so. Those who are making that sound.
Yes, hold on.
Parang hindi ka pa naniwala.
There's a jungle crow. Right there.
Eventually, the tree will die, rot away, forming a hollow. And this is where the legend of the Balete as a portal to another dimension comes from.
Guys, might want to take a look at the Sphinx moth.
Inside, there's a seed, and the seed is oil rich. Does anybody have any anger issues they want to release? Me!
The nut is from this tree. Interesting. Okay, go.
Wait, and it's called the candle. Oh,
No.
It's like solid.
I know.
And turn it into arts and crafts. So these are also
Whoa.
the seeds of the lumbang. You can pass it around.
That looks so cool.
Yeah,
So they polish the seed.
Disregard the these nuts joke I made. So
These
that's
are
why
made from in Bataan.
in Bataan.
Oh.
That's why native trees are important. They're very closely linked to culture and tradition. So it's not just because they are biologically or ecologically important, they're also part of our natural heritage. Here is a very beautiful flowering native tree. You can look at, this is the fruit already. Oh, look at the flower. Just try to suck the pulp. It's tangy.
Just pop out the seed.
Yeah, just pop it out. This is Malakatmon. The flower is yellow. The flower is yellow. And it's a favorite of birds also.
Can I try?
Have you tried?
Food review. Tastes like nothing actually.
Interesting.
There. Nice.
So it tastes like kamyas, diba? It's very sour.
Yeah. It smells like kamyas.
Go, miss. We believe in you.
Go, mom.
Go, man.
Oh wait, no, sorry. Propagated. So,
Yeah. I was wondering why.
Oh my god, it's really hard.
So
Wow.
you can grab an inner slice. And then the seeds are here. So those are the seeds. And you can actually plant those. They take a while to germinate.
Oh my god. Look how big that is.
against herbivores, kasi Bisnians, the leaves are very bitter. So part of their protection. But apitong is a hardwood, so it's retired na kami ni String.
This looks like a good place to camp.
Velvety.
Yeah, very nice place
There.
to camp.
There's already
The
food
crow
source.
over there.
There's already food source na.
You can
So pretty.
There's an owl? No, not an owl. Here, but it's not here now. But very sleepy pa.
Adapter 3D printed, and then I stuck it also.
That's so
So
cool.
the peregrine falcon arrives during October usually. So it should be, there are already peregrine falcons reported in Ilocos, so it should be here in the next few.
Wait, I'm practicing
The problem is, last year, it was super harassed by the crows, so it wouldn't stay here for very long.
Fire!
And then they eat pigeons.
Yeah.
Cool. It's a baby. And another baby. Oh, there it focused for once. The peacock flower. Vlog, that is the mistletoe. And that's her boyfriend.
Mistletoe is the host plant of the Delias caterpillar. So it's a very pretty red, yellow, and white, and black butterfly. So if you have them, that means you also have those other creatures.
It's dragonflies.
The one with the box seats.
It collects water when it rains, so it becomes a cup full of nectar. So this is what attracts nectar-feeding birds. But sometimes these birds are very smart. They will punch a hole at the bottom and get the nectar from here without pollinating. what we call sugar thieves. Unfortunately, the African tulip is not native to the Philippines. It's also invasive, but that's how the seeds spread so fast and they grow almost anywhere.
Cute. We're at the pollinator pocket. Yeah.
Like mushies, like my mom.